Tired of blurry photos on Messenger? If your photos are losing quality after sending, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to send HD photos in Messenger. And once you set it, it sticks. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss the key step that makes it work. Start by opening the Messenger app on your device. This works on both iPhone and Android. Once you're on the Chats page, tap on the name of the person you want to send the photo to. Now, above the keyboard, tap on the Photos icon. This opens up your photo gallery. Scroll through and select the photo you'd like to send. Before tapping Send, look at the top right corner of the photo preview screen. You'll see an HD icon. Tap on that HD button to make sure your photo will be sent in high-definition quality. After that, just tap Send, and your photo will go through crystal clear. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button now so you don't miss future tech tips like this. The great thing is, once you enable HD for one photo, it stays on for the rest. So next time you select multiple photos, they'll all send in HD by default. After sending, you can tap on the photo in the chat to confirm it retained its quality. It should look just as sharp as it did in your gallery. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.